Hi everyone, uh, welcome back. Today's topic I'll be covering is about a new HTTP method, which is query. It is RFC 1008. So there's a quick update, like it's an important addition to the HTTP, like that may impact how we design APIs going forward. In June 2026, a new HTTP method called query was standardized in RFC 1008. Um, it's designed specifically for read only operations that require complex input, like something that was traditionally awkward with the existing methods. Like it was possible, but it was not straightforward, I would say. Until now, to do such things, we had two main options. So first was the get, like using the get method, like which was safe and idempotent, but limited because it doesn't support a request body, as we all know. Coming to the second option, which was post, which allows complex payloads, but it wasn't considered safe or idempotent. So what was happening? This was creating a gap, like when you want to perform, let's say, advanced queries like filtering, searching, or passing structured criteria without changing server state. So this was the problem that existed since very long. So now when this query method has come, so this is what this query HTTP method solves. Like it allows you to send a request body like a post method while preserving the safe and idempotent semantics of get. So it's a mixture of both get and post. Like it provides you with the body of the post method, and it provides you with the safe and idempotency of the get method. So if I would say in simple terms, uh, it will be read only operation with a body. So how it is relevant, right, to the backend teams or to the other teams, like, or any of the person or a developer who is working on APIs, like wherever we have requirements like search operations, filtering, like sending the complex filters, or let's say sending the query DSLs in the body, like this query method will be very helpful. And also what will happen is, like, this will avoid the URL length limitations. Like when you were using get method, right, and when you want to send certain filter criterias, the URL gets very big because all those filter criterias go into a URL. Then you have to perform some kind of operations on the URL, like shortening a URL or something like that, in order to, like, maintain the, in order to cover the length of the URL. And so, like, with the help of query, now we can achieve, like, correct caching and the semantic for the read operations, basically. So instead of like encoding everything in a long query string, now we can send a structured JSON, right, payload that can define your query logic. So like overall, basically, query method fills a long standing gap between the get and the post and gives us a, like, cleaner, more semantically correct way to implement, I would say, the complex read only operations. Like, like it has bridged the gap between both the get and post. Like um, the important thing is like this is like this will be in available for any new API designs going forward, right? Now, as I have covered the basics, I will show you some example like how this can be implemented. So coming to the implementation, so like as I've already covered, like this, the query method is like a safe and idempotent HTTP method designed for sending complex like structured search requests. It combines the strength of get like safe, cacheable, idempotent with the ability to carry a request body like post, making it ideal for rich search and filtering APIs. And I've also added a matrix here like what features it provides like as compared to get, post and query. So it is safe, get method as is safe, but post was not safe. Query is safe, query is idempotent, query supports a request body, and it is ideal for structured search. So it backfills all the gaps that were existed for search operations. So few key points like it uses a request body, still safe and idempotent, and ideal for complex structured queries, nested filters, sorting, pagination, etc. So basic, if I cover the basic HTTP example, like you will have a query, like let's suppose you are searching for a product, and then you have an host like api.example.com. It can be anything. And then the request body is like content type is application to JSON, and in the request body you will pass it in like filters like which category, laptop, what is the price, 2000. And if you want to apply any sorting, you can say sort on price in the ascending order, and you are setting a limit 20, which means like you only want the 20 products, like top 20 products from the laptop in the ascending, like so lowest price to the highest price as ascending order. The same query method example is present in using the curl, like you can use also the curl command for the same, like you can use curl hyphen x query, specify the method, and then pass on the URL, like you are doing a product search, and then you are setting the headers in which you are setting content type to application dot slash json, and then you are sending the body, like the data basically for a curl, which is like you are setting the filters is a json where you are setting the category laptop, price is like less than 2000, and then you are sorting again on the price in the ascending order, and you are setting the limit to 20. And similar to that, I have also added a JavaScript example, like where you are using a fetch to do a search. You have defined a method, which is query here. And then you are setting the headers, where you are setting content type to application JSON. And then you are setting the body of the request, like JSON or using a stringify method as you are passing JSON as a string. You are setting the filters as defined above. These are same. Sort is like you are adding a sort on the price and the same thing, and then you catch the response from the API, and then here for the example I've just logged the data. So this is a simple, very simple method that you can use to do all your search operations going forward. Thank you.